guys? It's me and Matthew here. We're making a standard airsoft grenade bomb. Matt's is already ready, so I guess we'll... Can you cam?
No, I'm...
Okay.
If you're wondering what that is...
That was from me.
You cut my head.
Not with a knife or anything. Okay.
Fall.
Ready? Oh, wow, you dropped the lid too.
Okay, I've
Ready,
got
go.
it.
Shake, 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 shake. Is it good? Throw, throw, throw.
It's gonna go anyway, I think. It might be too thick.
Okay. Damn it, I'm gonna...
No, it's busy. Going down, going down. You won't be able to see this because you don't want to wreck the new $1,000 outfit. Yeah. Copar. Oh.
We're out in Airsoft 4-layer with Ray Carson. I'm gonna film this shit again. And these are the bombs we're using, so thanks for watching. I think
This, maybe not like this.
look at that. That just destroyed the bottom of the bottle.
We're gonna use like...
Let's see, do I got any welts? 2 there
Where?
that are forming. And I took one right there on the hand.
We're not gonna be like using them that powerful.
Yeah, we are. Screw it. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. Stupid mosquito. See you later, my homies.